As soon as you walk into the Bowen Street Press, doors are open. Whether you've joined us to get a job, for a new experience, or to extend your skill set, the Master of Writing and Publishing delivers.
An absolute parade of just really fascinating people come in to speak to us, and the ability to work directly with such high caliber editors in our week-to-week work really makes you feel like you're already a part of the industry.
It connects you with people in the real world doing real things.
It's a 480-hour internship, an academically rigorous degree. It's full of hands-on learning and guaranteed industry access and experience.
I've had the opportunity to work with so many like-minded individuals with the same interests, whether it's collaborating on a project with Bowen Street Press or with real-life industry professionals. This ability to network this intimately is something that I've never done before.
We tracked down interviews, we worked with a cover designer, and we even got to write our own foodie horoscopes.
At the end, we get an actual publication that we can pop in our resumes, which is amazing.
You'll be connecting and collaborating with peers and professionals, learning the how-to from the who's who. And you'll have a bloody brilliant time while you're at it. Essentially, the BSP is a community. The students, the staff, and the constant influx of industry professionals all want the same thing: to open doors for you. You'll learn how to create content and produce books, zines, anthologies, podcasts, websites, and more.
This real-world marketable publication that we got to work on, and it's just kind of amazing to hold on to it, have a look at it, and see what the end result is.
Join us and start your career.